Hey guys, this is CVU Canoeing and Camping 101. Today we're going to talk about life vests, or as the cool kids call it, PFDs.
And proper paddling techniques. Also, canoeing stuff.
And we're going to talk about mounting a damn trailer. Look at that proper stroking technique.
The best way to do it is get as close to the hitch as possible. Then, because the trailer's so light, we can actually just pick it up all in one fell swoop.
Look at those quads.
First try, every try. Just like every other trailer, you want to make sure you get the chains hooked. Otherwise, if the trailer comes undone,
That's a bad day.
you plug in the lights, and then we're done.
Alright, so first here we're gonna lift it up, bring it out.
That is
We're
perfect,
gonna
man.
coordinate a flip. So which way you wanna go, left or right?
Go left.
Towards the school. Towards
Yeah,
the
left.
school. Alright, nice clean flip. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you how to get into a canoe properly, nice and safely. So first we're gonna have you stabilize the back.
That was nice and straddle it and
Yep.
keep it locked.
Okay, so for me to get in, usually this whole front half of the boat is in water. So I'll step in. I'll use the oar as stabilizing technique here. So I'm just gonna walk forward to my sheet, nice and slowly. And sit down. Now we're gonna scooch a little forward here.
Now we're in the water. I'll step into the middle.
And we're off.
Now we're good.
Okay, so make sure you have your life vest on properly. You buckle it up, and then you tighten it down. And if you go like this and it goes up to your ears, then the life vest is too big for you. Go forward.
Okay, so the most effective way to paddle is one on each side at the same time. As you see here, we are flying. So the person in the back's job is to be the rudder. You put your paddle in, you push it out, and I'll turn your canoe.
Good technique. Sorry. As you look straight ahead of us, the 9th grader and Jackson up there are paddling fast. The front man's job is to be the motor, and he's trying very hard to get to the beach because he is tired.
Okay, so here we're hooking it on. Come to the other side with me. Now Ben is going to show us how to ratchet it.
So you put it through the hole in the middle, and then you just go to the top. And then you get rid of the slack. And you hook it. And then you just trim.
Until it's tightly fastened.
That's all, folks. Thank you for watching. This is the 2019 CVU Canoeing and Camping trip.